Hello, hello. Kumna? Nga dang page hanti takadaw. Nang page video trong prolog takadaw. Page trong tui prolog changa ba. Bun kam bahani kumno nga tanga su sangkai kumne nga pika video trong prolog takadaw. Nga sangkai page video trong prolog. Rina official. Titilawan. Best tate. Nga pagkay ka video trong i prolog takadaw. Ang lang gani ka YouTube channel trong firma. Sa pa subscribe lang. Enjoy long drive and visit Tara langsung. Hana ti habang kami aman kersan para tuan. Chandap kam na puno nestu. Chumpis tu. Ite de prolog janga na pa Manipur Nagaland. Di na pa Nagaland. Nga su pagka video. And all the police are waiting here to go. Tila up kipulit ang tay. Masih pikai kati takadaw.
Today I'm going to show more of the road. I'm going on a long drive.
Ta saya comments kain ka ba pibas kumengen tam ma ngam ai ngam tangan ai na
We're going.
ang nga kawi ka churai ka babas bahanga mo kati ka clear no. Ada syukran lah kamsuk. Love life song. Hati. LOVELIFE. Hush. Haji siya na dimlong tayo na tambangan tumigil ka daw. I love you here. Love. Space. Love. Okay, titi. Tika churay ka babas ba mga okay. Space. Okay naman. Bye. Bye. Prisibun bapila join. जो दिया तू हीरो है मेरा ओ सजनी रे ये सजनी तेरा तेरा मेरे सवेरे ओ सजनी रे ये सजनी तेरा तेरा मेरे सवेरे आधा तेरा इश्क आधा मेरा next nganai siya katoka jura chungu iram clear E Ram switching is you ya jing in la rai bạn người phi ngân ya
इसे चेस सिखाने के लिए चेन्नई क्यों जाना है?
पापा, इस बटर कुकी की शाइन शुगर ग्लेजिंग की एक स्पेशल लेयर से आती है। तो इस बटर कुकी के लिए हमें भी कुछ स्पेशल करना पड़ेगा ना, ताकि ये भी शाइन कर सके। सनफीस्ट का नया मॉम्स मैजिक
6
शाइन
5 4 3 2 1 it's coming
Should we play paper?
Laro biyan din. Sitip ang ina yang ngayon mabanpano sa bar pagkulit.
Huwag tama.
Oo. Siyem doon niya maprintin mo yung haluda nga awan ka.
Pero siya nga ngipin ko na mabangi din as friends.
Kakatahan siya nga mo.
Bye. Magsabi si ma.
Bye.
bunsin yeah, the actor is back. Sajnai nanga. You know guys, this video, okay, I mean this video is about one person, okay, who want to study, who was study away from his lover, his friends, okay, his girlfriend, I mean, but that girl always wait for his boyfriend, okay, but they didn't know when did they return back, when did they meet again, okay. So when they meet again, they found they are bigger, I mean they are adult, so they, you know, you just watch it, okay. It means all day and night I always remember, okay. It means our love, I mean this love, okay, just like a rope that if we tie them together, so no one can untie them, okay. That's why the true love must be so strong that no one can, you know, that no one can separate them. That is the real true love. It okay. It means you know, P dan shai jangai nanga ki chu tang bala clay kanam la ban kala. It means You are far away from me, even when we are promised, but we must keep the promise. That the promise we must not be changed. Okay, that is the reason. I will try. I will try to explain in English about this song. Okay, but I don't know how to translate. But at least I have to try. Okay, so that you guys will understand. It means every time the girl that we love, okay, it feel like it is our voice that can whisper in her ear. Okay. Okay. This song it mean many times. 1 minute. Okay, I will. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. It means many times that girl that he is truly loved, he appear. Okay, but that boy who loved that girl, he always remember about the girl who truly loved him. Okay, so that's why. It means every time you always be in my heart. Okay, every time you always be in my heart. Okay, it means I will never betray you. Okay, I will never betray you. It means I will never betray you. I promise I will never. But that is the meaning. Okay, in English. So because you know what, because they don't know each other because they are adult. So it's that the years has passing by. Okay, the years has passing by. Kan bad kisngi ki yaki I mean 1 minute. Okay. It means when the months and years was passing by. Okay, yakisni. I just trying, but I don't know how to. You know, it's very difficult. So at least I have to try. Minute. Okay. Yes. It means yapi ngan krup ha sharam. It means that girls want to hug in okay. It means the girls want to hug in his lover shoulders. Okay, I just I will try to translate in English, but I have to try so that more so that you will understand. Okay. Yes. It means you are the only one who always you know um, let me think. Okay. I don't know how to explain in English. If you suppose if you feeling sad, that boy have that boy always what you say, always don't like you to feeling sad, so he always want to make happy. That is the reason. That is the reason. Okay. It means the you are far away from me. The promise that we will never broken. Every time I that you came that whisper in my ears. Every time I always I mean you always remember. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I will. You always whisper in my ears. Many times. You always appear in me on my. Only you, my love. I always remember. Every time in my heart. I will never. I will never betray on you. Okay. I will never betray on you. This is the meaning in English. Okay. When the month and years was passing by, I always want to hug. I always want to hug in my shoulder. That is the reason hug in my shoulder. Okay. That is the this is Nongpentengan means when someone feels sad, you always want him to make some happy. That is the reason when when someone feels sad, so that you'd always make them happy. Now they realize each other. This is my favorite song. Okay. I really like this song. I really I really try to translate the meaning of the song in English So I know it is very difficult for me, so at least I have to try. If you like this song, okay, you just listen. And there is some khasi song that there is a subtitle in English. So if you like to listen to them, so you just comment on their on the on their channel, their song channel. So I will you will understand what is the meaning. So in this video also I try so hard to translate, to tell you the meaning of the song in from the Khasi language, but it is very difficult to translate. So I hope you like my live stream, and thank you for your watching my stream. So see you on, let me think, let me see, when will I make a stream. So I hope you like my stream. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye, take care and stay safe. Love you all, my friends.